Hello everyone, it's happy to see you all back again. Now we are going to make a lip coloring. That means a lip blushing on this lip. She had a white pigment on the below lip as well as a little darker pigment on the above lip, and we are going to match the even tone. Many of them got tired of wearing a lipstick on a day-to-day basis. So this is the best solution to be go ahead with that. So see, we are showing that colors and the transparency everything to the client, and we are explaining everything, and we listen to the clients carefully. Once they are approved it, and we'll be go ahead. Before that, we'll do the marking like this on the whole lip, so that client can get to know how the result is going to be. That will give them the more confidence how they are going to get the exact best output. So as you can see, I have started doing the marking and I have started doing the color filling on those particular places. So once the client has confirmed what's the form and how they wanted to get it done, then we'll be start proceeding the process. So the process is so smooth. As you can see, there's no bleeding and the swelling also. At the end there was a small amount of swelling, but it's completely okay. And this ink is completely vegan and organic certified, so clients no need to worry at all about how this is going to be happen. And it's perfectly smooth. People no need to worry about it, and it's completely safe to be go ahead. And we have attached our contact number in the display, so if you guys have any other information required, you can contact them and they can help you out to book a slot, and they'll be help you out with all the informations. So see this Wells clip. So the output was so superb and it's so real and looks so natural.